Meaning of first degree.
First degree.
First degree.
First degree.
First degree. The term first degree is commonly used in legal contexts to denote the severity of an offense or crime. A first-degree offense or crime is typically the most serious and carries the harshest penalties. Examples of first-degree crimes include murder, treason, and certain types of rape. In sentencing, a first-degree offense may result in a lengthy prison sentence, life imprisonment without parole, or even the death penalty in some jurisdictions. Overall, being convicted of a first-degree offense can have severe consequences and significantly impact an individual's life.